A bird could attack you right now and ruin your day. Just ruin the. Oh my God. I've been looking up dangerous jobs, right? I've been looking up dangerous jobs, and there is a job called tower climbing. Tower climbing. Your job is to climb towers. Now, I also would like to know how much these tower climbers get paid, right? This is a climber's guide to going up a 1,768 foot guided tower. Is it supposed to be gilded?
That's the commute for people that work on transmission lines and antennas in the world of broadcasting.
Oh, so this is for like radio frequencies and stuff like that.
Top of a 1,768 foot tower, just to begin.
So before we even get too far into this, let me know in the comments if there's any tower climbers in the comments, or if you would do a job like this, and what would be the salary? What would be the yearly salary that you would require to do something like this?
Okay.
All right. See how high up you see how
it all starts
high up this is?
With an elevator ride to about 1,600 feet. After that, it's all.
Oh, you have to. At least you have an elevator first.
All
way up,
about
right?
climbing.
1,600 feet, and then you have to climb another 100 feet.
Of course, you have to bring all your tools with you. That's the red bag hanging below. It weighs about 30 pounds, and you pull it up behind you all the way to the top.
Wow.
It's a lot like a spacewalk, where you have to remember to bring everything you're going to need, because it's a long way down.
So is he tied to anything?
This is called free climbing, meaning that no safety lines are used.
Oh my Lord.
Easier,
oh my Lord. Oh my Lord.
No. Not a blood clot.
You know who I want to hear in these comments, not to be that guy. I'd like to hear the ladies in the comments. I'd like to see which of my ladies would love to do this job.
Climb this way.
Wow.
It's good to take a break and look around while you rest.
It can't be. It can't be good to take a break and look around.
Free climbing is more dangerous, of course, but OSHA rules do allow for it.
Really?
Attaching, climbing, attaching, and removing safety lines every few feet slows progress and is tiring.
My body is having a physical reaction. Like I'm literally shaking. Like I'm feeling my nervous system react to this.
Here you can see an electrical junction box for the tower lights.
Yeah, you think him have like a wife and kids and him something?
Inside the cage, you can now see the transmission line.
Do you think that they're paying him enough, considering he may have a wife and kids and family and people that care about him? Do you think
feeds the transmitter power to the
Do you
antenna.
think? All right. So what is the job? What am I supposed to just do this? Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord.
This section is the antenna tuner. It's shaped like this to allow for the expansion and contraction of the transmission line on its 1,700-foot run to the top.
Okay, mad. All right, he's hooked in, guys. He's safe. He's safe now. So what is his job? What is he supposed to do?
These spiky flowers on their long stems are used to attract electrical charges in the air.
Okay.
This helps to dissipate the charges before they build up to create a lightning strike.
All right. So this is like what This is like what Frankenstein was using to get the power for the monster. Okay. All right. So what you doing up here now, my friend? Like what's the...
Now we've reached the base of the antenna. From here it's just another 60 feet to the top.
So when you do a job like this, what the insurance look like? I need what is your insurance policy looking like? Because bro, you can't even figure out where you're about to put your hands right now. He's like, what do I do? How do I get up here? All right.
His climbing partner is now holding the tool bag to keep it from swinging and knocking him off balance.
You don't think Benjamin Franklin was doing this? This is how he discovered... Did you think Benjamin Franklin really did that? You think he really tied a key to a balloon and struck himself with lightning to prove that electricity is real? That can't be a real story, right? That can't be real. Sometimes I feel like that can't be real. Nice watch, buddy. So you're still climbing? There's more to go? This is even further to go? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. Honestly, I don't think there's an amount salary-wise that I would take to do this job. The more I look at it, I don't know. I don't know what I don't know what I could charge. I don't know what makes this feasible. If your husband is this, you're serving him a divorce. You don't care about your family, man. You don't care about your family, man.
Break.
All right.
Seeing storm cloud, he checks on the lightning condition.
If I have to check lightning conditions, fam, I'm not. That's not something I want to factor into my job. You know what I mean? I don't have to be like, all right, then we'll go up Sears Tower today. What are the chances of lightning today? You can check the lightning report for me. Is there a lightning report?
If a storm's blowing, there's no quick way down.
All right. Maybe he loves his family more than himself. I'd like to think that if he's doing this job, he did fly a kite in a storm, but it gathered static electricity which collected on the key tied to a silk ribbon. Sana was good. He's so devoted. I mean,
the top is inside.
I mean, when you're already, it's 1,700 feet and you're 1,600 feet up already. What you gonna do? Are you gonna turn around and climb back down the rest of the way?
Right. And time for another break before transitioning to the top. It
was to prove that lightning was in fact the same as static electricity. So lightning is just big static? Is lightning just large scale static? Really? Wow. As above, so below?
This height, you can see 55 miles to the horizon.
55 miles. Yeah. So what does the descent look like? Imagine needing to sneeze right now. Here's the thing. Let me ask you something, guys. Y'all trust this? Do y'all trust this right here? Because he clips it on, but it's not like, you get what I'm saying? It's not like a big like knob that it can't like slip off. Like this could just slip off. Like this is not that much protection from slipping off. What if he has to use the toilet? Could you imagine bubble guts hit you 1,700 feet up? Oh Lord. All right. How many y'all are just letting it go? You already this way up, this far up. Might as well just, I mean, depends on if you got to go number 1 or number 2, right? Depends on if you got to go number 1 or number 2. What if I get a leg cramp? We ain't got no space for leg cramps, buddy.
This is the tricky part. Getting on top.
This is the tricky part? Mad. Okay.
That object with the black top is the lighting beacon.
Bro, my nerves right now are like flabbergasted. My flabbers have been absolutely gasted. It's always a lighter hue, right? I mean, I would like to say that
and that's
I would hope it's not
to the top of a transmission tower.
But what a job. What I do? That's it? That's all right on the up top. That's it. Look at. All right. You see, if I look down and see clouds, I'm too high up. If I look down and see clouds, this is where Mufasa told Simba to never go. Mufasa, remember it was like, what about that dark part over there? You must never go there, Simba. This is where that paperclip things, we really trust these paperclip things, I think of all the things that we've created for safety, we really believe in carabiners. I think we put so much faith in these paper. This can't be a job for real. I get like 120. Oh, how much? Salary of tower climbers. Tower climbers typically earn an average annual wage of $48,000 to $65,000. However, total earnings can exceed $90,000 to $100,000 through heavy overtime, hazard pay, and special certifications like NATE or NSWA. Not enough. That's absolutely not enough money at all. That is no way, shape, or form not enough money. I need at least I need like at least 200,000. I need at least 200,000 a month. Like I can't, like there's no way I'm doing this and earning less than 6 figures, bro. Comfortably 6 figures. Like 6 figures after taxes, 6 figures, like comfortably 6 figures. I need at least 200,000. I need at least 200,000, fam. Because remember, You get 60,000. Some of that gone for taxes immediately. You know? 40% gone for taxes. You know? So make sure you put up 40% same time, right? That's 15,000 gone immediately off rip. So you're getting 60,000. This is 45K. You're risking your life. You're risking your life. However many times a week, a month, you do this for 45K. A year, 45K a year. No, I need 200 though. Oh my God, look how much more there is. Look how much more there is, right? Okay, I thought I was tripping. There's no way, bro, look at, this is not enough for me to feel safe. Why are they just straight and not hooked? Why aren't they like bent upwards a little bit? You know what I mean? Like, why aren't they like, what is that? I feel like it should at least be pointing up. Am I look at fam, this is biblical right here, you know. This is a biblical view right here, so you know. This is how the earth had to look before Jah made the firmaments, you know what I mean? This is some let there be land type view. Can he breathe? Is he frozen? That's my question. What is the temperature at this point? The air got to be really thin. I would hope they wear parachutes. I would absolutely hope there's a parachute involved. But, you know, the paper clips might be fine, bro. You know what I mean? You already have paper clips. What more do you want? You go carry a parachute and a toolkit. Remember, there's a toolkit. He's not doing this for fun. There's a toolkit that he has to repair something up here. For something that needs to be climbed, it isn't very why wouldn't you just put stairs? Why not just build every tower like this with stairs? Have we never... Is it like more... I guess it's more resource heavy to have stairs. Isn't it? At least the JPS man them have the little bucket and a trucker weight on them. Yeah, you know, the little... And even that low-key, I don't trust that, you know, but I trust that way more right now. A bird could attack you right now and ruin your day. Just ruin the... Oh my God. Bro, imagine a wasp just attack you right now. Like a wasp just decided, yeah, blood clot. Imagine you go up here. Bro, imagine climbing up here and bro, I'm tired of all this bird poop up here, bro. It's like every time you go up there, it's just mad bird poop. It's just eagle poop and hawk poop and raven poop and all the poops is up there. We don't want that, bro. Oh shit. So they thought about that, you know. They thought about that. They did not think about stairs. They did not think about stairs. Stairs might have been a better idea. I'm just saying. Did he just say, "Oh shit"? Thank you for the lions. Thank you for the galaxy. All right. All right. What are we doing? Send 2 texts. Yo, babes, me have forward back. Me dep on the job. Me call you back. What the? Me call you back when me done. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, man. What the fuck? Why would you do this to us? For 60K? Nah, bro. For 100K? Nah, bro. Nah. No. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. How many times a year do you think he has to do this? 25 an hour is normal rate. Bro, I am not doing no 25 an hour for climb up this. You mad? 25 an hour? Brother. Also, when I see him change a bulb. When I get to see him change a bulb. No, man, that's serious.
Our phones and the internet, 2 things we rely on every day, especially this last year. But when they go out, have you ever thought about who fixes it? Well, it might not sound so tough.
Yeah, the phone company.
Until you see where they have to work. That's what we did with SyncWave in Scottville for this tough job in northern Michigan.
So today we are just swapping out a radio. So it's the back of a dish that we are going to be placing a new piece of equipment on.
Replacing a radio might sound simple until you realize that
that's a nice bag. It's a very nice bag.
Radio is 140 feet in the air.
Wow. Okay. Not as terrible as what we just seen.
These are the things that keep you on the tower. So if you do fall or anything.
This poor girl, y'all make her climb this tower for the news report? For the news report, that's wickedness. That's wickedness.
Like that. This is going to keep you safe.
That's
Add
wickedness.
a helmet and some gloves,
All right, come on up.
and it's time to climb. Wow, this is straight up and down.
You know, this reminds me of, y'all remember those old pictures back in the day of the guys that used to like work on the construction, like the guys that used to work in construction, and you'd see them sitting on like the steel beam eating their lunch. You think those guys survived? You know the pictures I'm talking about? Like you used to just see guys hanging out on the steel beam hundreds of feet in the air, like they're working on the Empire State Building, and they're just like eating lunch. There's a lunch break, and they're all just like sitting on a steel beam thousands of feet in the air. Just like, yeah, hey. I was like, there's no way some of these guys didn't survive, right? Like working on towers, working on bridges, working on skyscrapers gotta be some of the most dangerous things possibly. Like, especially working on a bridge, like, bro, I'm sure there's people that worked on like the Golden State Bridge and them kind of bridge, and them co-worker just drop off, you know. Like Mike just gone. Like just Mike gone. Just you come back tomorrow, Tuesday, and you just have to come back Wednesday because I just saw it go. I just part of the job that this is Mike gone.
Do you want me to give you the equipment just in case I don't make it up there? No?
Maybe that's why I gave you the equipment.
Yeah. We could trade.
So we're set to
Poor
go.
girl, she
Climbers
can't say
have to
no.
be tied
I guess for the job, for the story.
off 100% of the time, always with a primary and secondary system.
My heart
Okay.
is racing.
Now we take turns climbing
We can do this.
and resting.
Yeah, see if you can relax those arms a little bit.
Oh, imagine working on a boat in the deep ocean, like those ocean welders. I have a brother that do that, you know. He's like a welder. I think he's in the Coast Guard. He's a welder for the Coast Guard.
So I'm going to go up a little bit further and we'll kind of just tag team it through it.
Oh.
No, this no, but I have a brethren. He is Jamaican and he's a welder for the Coast Guard, and he goes underwater and welds. It's kind of crazy. Big up yourself, Poppin.
Oh boy.
I will see you at the dish.
See you there. Hopefully.
I'm not doing
This
this.
is by far the scariest job I've done.
I am not doing this for a news report. I am absolutely not doing this for. I'm just not doing this. Not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie
Just
to you.
can't look down.
Yep, just keep
Scale of 1 to 10.
looking up at me.
This is a me not do this for sure. Scale of 1 to 10.
I did not think I was
being
gonna
me
get
nah
this
do
high.
this. Chat, what do y'all say? What are y'all saying in the chat? Scale of 1 to 10. 10 being me not do this. 10 being you not do this a blouse and skirt. What's the chat saying? What's the chat saying? Scale of 1 to 10. I'm deathly afraid of heights, so it's not happening. 10. I'd do it if I'm down on my luck with money and pay as well. So apparently they make job wise they make like 60K. They make like 60K a year. They make 60K a year, but with hazard pay and stuff, it can go to like 100. Bonnie King said 10,000. 1 million. Me now do this at backside. That is it. That's it, Typho. I thought they was getting like, for me, I would need at least 200K. At least 200K. I feel like I would need at least still 6 figures after taxes. So yeah, I need that. I need at least 200K. I feel like I need 250 a year.
Not gonna lie.
How often do you think they have to climb a tower? That's another question. How often do you think they have to do this? No, don't get me wrong, you know. I'm not doing it. But if you say, hey, you make 260,000 a year, I'd be like,
Welcome up.
I'd still not do it. My nerves wouldn't allow me to.
Okay. We did it.
We did. You are at the height that we're working at today. So what we can do is that if you're good, I can help you out
Yes.
real quick. And then you'll feel like
Oh, wow.
Uber safe. You're not gonna get an Uber though.
I would like an Uber right now.
So
140 feet isn't
All right.
quite to the top of the tower, but it's high
Okay.
enough for today's work.
So what is this thing called?
So this is a dish or an antenna.
Okay.
And then what we're putting on is essentially the brain or the radio itself, the thing that actually transmits through the antenna. All right, well, we didn't need anything else, but you did your first climb, you just changed the radio.
Wow.
We could go the rest of the way.
Oh, I think we're good.
Yeah, man, all right. I don't know. Scale of 1 to 10. 10 for me. Yeah, this is like 10,000. I feel like 10,000 too high. This is like a 197. This is like a 197. It's like a 197. Almost 200. I'd put this at like a 200. You know what? I'll put it at a 200 because I need 200K to make this to make this even sound feasible. To make it sound feasible in my head, I would need 200K. Because if I'm up there and feel like odds I win, mega dead. Yeah, man. 197, you got some lighter hue in your blood? No, man. It's not that. It's not a lighter hue in my blood, man. I think there is need for this job, right? There is need for this job. People got it. Somebody got to do it, right? Somebody has to do it. So that's why it's so low, because it's something that has to be done. Somebody go have to do it. It's not going to be me, but somebody's got to do it, right? It's something important. It's something necessary. Them can do it. Them can do it. Me not do it. Them can do it. But it's something that has to be done, right? So I think a 200 is fine, right? Because somebody go do it. It's not something that's like there's no reason at all to be doing this. Like if you're going to be skiing down the Alps and then hit a thing and then base dive into that and then swim with sharks immediately after that. No, that's higher because there's no actual reason to be doing anything that you're doing, right? But there's a reason for this. This is a reason. This is actually important. This is something that the world needs to be done. It's just not going to be by me. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Appreciate y'all. Peace, punch, box lunch.